In this video, I'm going to teach you how to connect a Shark X3 Bluetooth. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. The Shark X3 has three main connection types. You have a wired connection, where you use a USB cable to plug it into your PC, laptop, or any compatible device. You have wireless 2.4 GHz by using the USB dongle. And finally, Bluetooth. If you want to use a Bluetooth connection, first ensure that it is enabled on your particular device. So for example, a Windows PC or laptop, go over to the settings or look for Bluetooth and devices and enable it from here. Once it is enabled, you have to set it up to Bluetooth mode. So if you look below the Attack Shark X3, you have the switch between off, Bluetooth, and 2.4G. Make sure that you choose the appropriate position, so all the way to the Bluetooth side. Once it is set to Bluetooth mode, you can use this button here to enable pairing mode. So the mode indicator light button. Press and hold this for a little while after setting it to BT or Bluetooth mode, and this will put it into pairing mode. In pairing mode, it is going to be searching for nearby devices to connect to. So now on your Windows PC, choose the option to add a new device, and on the list of nearby available devices, you will find the Attack Shark X3. All that you have to do now is choose it from the list. Once the connection is established, it will remain connected indefinitely or until it runs out of battery. Every single future time that you power it on, it should automatically pair itself with your PC as long as you don't forget the device, and it is easy to set up. There will be some latency introduced compared to 2.4G, however, it is an extremely convenient way to connect the X3 to any Bluetooth compatible device. I hope I was able to help you on how to connect a Touch Shark X3 Bluetooth. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.